All right, so on to the game. We're going to do the old schoolyard. Your captain and your captain. Pick 1 and 1. We're going to go over there on 2 markers. What you have to do as a team is you start on the opposite side. 1, 2, 3. Move on to the other side, 4, 5. So you've got to hit all 6 stumps to get a shot at the Red Bull can to be the victors. So you 2 captains, go away, pick your teams, and we'll meet you over here.
हमारे में यही आ गए ना, यहीं खड़े हो जाओ यार। आओ यार, आ जाओ पहले।
6 के 6 मार दिया, फिर 7वां रेड बुल कैन को मार।
नो डिसाइड। भैया कैप्टन विल डिसाइड। आजा सिद्ध भाई, आप फिर Come this side, sit back. Not count.
Keepers can get their gloves, please, as you come in. If the keepers can get their gloves.
First word is the commander, obviously. Likes to bully us in the field. Aggressive.
Commander. Arnold.
Prince, try not to stand by the stump. Move to the stump. 2 minutes, I'm counting points. Let's go. Pop it up, and now go to another area. Good, good, pop it up. One of the most important things that we've been pressing over the last month or so is that, you know, guys coming out of lockdown and not having a lot of cricket activity, the most important thing has been the throwing, to make sure that they don't turn up to camp and then all of a sudden they're doing a large amount of throwing and they get sore shoulders. Good, and hit, good, come, yes, play, good. And it's just about trying to help each individual get slightly better, you know, and once they understand the roles and the responsibilities that comes with those roles, we can keep catering work for them, and hopefully through that they get better. The key is we don't want fumble balls at the back, So the key is get your depth. Main focus at the moment is the batting and bowling, and then we'll just slowly keep integrating some basic fielding work, and then as we move close to the start of the tournament, we'll get real position specific with each individual so that they're training the roles that they're likely to have to execute in game times. Halton, we're net, set, go.